Good day everyone, I am Princess Elaine Arcega together with my partner Lori Ann Pineda. Our research title is Irrigation System Optimization, a strategic approach to overcoming water scarcity triggered by El Nino. So let us know first what is irrigation. Irrigation is the artificial application of water to land to assist in the growth of crops or sustain landscape plants during period of insufficient rainfall. It involves the controlled distribution of water to specific areas, often through channels, pipe, or sprinklers, by providing the necessary amount of water directly to plants. Irrigation helps maintain soil moisture level essential for plants' growth, ensuring better crop yields and preventing drought-related damage. Various irrigation methods like drip irrigation, sprinkler system, and flood irrigation cater to different landscape and crop needs, distributing significantly to agricultural productivity and environmental sustainable worldwide.
Challenges we face during water scarcity. Water scarcity poses significant challenges, impacting both human societies and ecosystem. One major challenge is compromised access to clean drinking water, leading to health issues and sanitation concerns. Agricultural sectors face reduced water availability, affecting crop yields and food production. Industries relying on water-intensive process encounter operational constraints, affecting economic activities. Competition for limited water sources often leads to conflicts between communities and even nations. Additionally, climate change exacerbates water scarcity, intensifying droughts and altering precipitation patterns. Addressing this multi-phase challenge requires sustainable water management practices, technological innovations, and international cooperation.